How to fix ReadyBoost is not enabled because the computer is fast enough. Hey guys, if you guys are facing this issue while trying to ReadyBoost your PC, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. This usually happens because if you already have a fast enough computer, you won't need the ReadyBoost. So this is basically for those kind of computers with low-end specifications, and it will help them get their performance boosted. So if you already have a RAM greater than 4 GB and if you have an SSD instead of a hard drive, then you won't need this. So what you can do is just go ahead and close everything out. And what I'm going to do here is simply go ahead and go to this PC. Select the drive that you want to ready boost. So let's just go with our C drive. Right click on it. And then you're going to have to go to properties. From here, you'll find the Ready Boost option here. If you don't see it, then that means you don't need it. So what you can try to do instead is simply go ahead and go to security, and right besides that you have hardware. Go to its properties, and then go to driver. Now from here, you'll be able to see all of these options. You won't have the update driver option for this, so go to general and then change settings. Now from here, go to policies, and make sure this one is enabled. Enable write caching on the device, and then go to driver, update driver, search automatically, and if it says the best driver is already installed, then you're good to go. The next thing you can try to do is back up all of the files from here. Right click on your C drive, and then show more options. From here, you can try to format your drive. So let's try on this drive right here. Click on show more option. Format. Just make sure that you set this to NTFS, the file system, and then you'll be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.